Hello everyone, the amazing people. I welcome you to your channel. I am AJ and today we are diving into a topic that's incredibly important and often misunderstood. Anxiety. Do you ever feel your heart racing, palms sweating or a sense of impending doom? You are definitely not alone, but what if I told you that much of what you have heard about anxiety might not be entirely accurate? In today's video, we are separating fact from fiction and uncovering the truth about this common yet often misrepresented mental health issue. So whether you have experienced anxiety yourself or know someone who has, or just want to be more informed, stick around. You won't want to miss the myths we are busting today and the reality that can help us all better understand and manage anxiety. And remember, the last myth is the real kicker, so watch this till end. Let's get started. Myth number 1. Anxiety is just feeling stressed. Reality? Not quite. While stress and anxiety often go hand in hand, there is a big difference. Stress is usually a response to an external trigger, while anxiety is more about how you internally respond and can happen even without a specific trigger. Stay tuned as we dismantle more myths and get to the heart of what anxiety really is. Coming up next, myth number 2. Anxiety isn't a real illness. First up, we have all common belief that anxiety is just in your head and not a real illness. But in reality, anxiety disorders are very real and recognized by major health organizations like the World Health Organization and American Psychiatric Association. They encompass conditions such as generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, social anxiety disorder, and more. It's not about weakness or overreacting. It's a legitimate medical condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Now moving on to myth number 3. Anxiety only happens after a traumatic event. Some folks think that anxiety only pops up after something life-shattering happens, like a traumatic event. While it's true that trauma can trigger anxiety, it's not the only cause. But in reality, anxiety disorders can develop due to a mix of genetics, brain chemistry, and personality. Now, two paths to anxiety look the same. Some people might experience it without any evident triggers, which brings us to our next myth. Myth number 4. Just avoid the thing that makes you anxious. Ever heard the advice to simply stay away from what makes you anxious? Sounds easy, right? But it's not that simple. In reality, avoiding anxiety triggers might offer short-term relief, but it can actually make the anxiety worse over time. Facing fears through techniques like gradual exposure therapy is often a more effective long-term strategy. And trust me, I know it's easier said than done, but small steps can lead to a big changes. Are you still with me? Cool. Let's tackle myth number 5. Medication is the only treatment. Many people think that medicine or medication is the one and only way to treat anxiety. While meds can life-saving for someone, they are not the whole picture. In reality, in addition to medication, there are various effective treatments like cognitive behavioral therapy, mindfulness practices, and lifestyle changes. It's about finding what works best for you, and sometimes that involves a combination of therapies. And finally, myth number 6. Anxiety is a sign of personal weakness. This one is a real kicker. There's a stereotype that people with anxiety are just weak or lack willpower. Spoiler alert, it's absolutely not true. In reality, anxiety doesn't discriminate. It can affect anyone, regardless of how strong or resilient they are. In fact, it takes immense strength and courage to confront and manage anxiety. So, There you have it. 6 myth about anxiety busted. Remember, understanding anxiety is the first step towards managing it, and you are not alone on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need to hear this, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. What's one myth about anxiety you have heard, encountered? Tell me. Thank you so much.